Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Move with Na. My name is Natasia. Today we're going to be doing a 10-minute lower body resistance band workout. If you don't have a band at home, no problem. You can modify without any equipment at all. I'm sure you'll still feel it. So we're going to start with a cardio dance warm-up, then we're going to go straight into squats and lunges. Are you ready? Let's go. Alright, let's start with our cardio dance warm-up. Bring your feet hips width apart. Bend your knees, inhale, reach it up. Exhale. Again, inhale. 2 more. Settle into your body. We're here together. Just 10 minutes. Bend your knee, sit back. Bring that left hand down, reach the right arm up. And bring it down, walk yourself to the other side. Reach that left arm up. Bring it down, slowly come up to standing. Right arm is going to reach up and over. Side stretch. One arm circle. Exhale, come up. Left arm. One arm circle. Exhale, come up, step touch. Slowly bring that heart rate up a little. Relax your upper body. We're going to go 4 runs, 2 jumping jacks. Here we go. Hands up. Keep that tummy tight. Again, let's go. Reaching side to side. Tap. Shifting your weight. Like you're piercing something with your fingertips. Last 4. Now reach diagonal up. Good, really feeling that side stretch. Again. Step touch back squat. Exhale, stand up. Again. 1, reach back squat. Exhale, stand up. Step touch. Bend those knees. Scoop those arms. Get into it. Last 4. And 2 jacks. Here we go. Hands up. Keep it going. We're here. Enjoy this moment. You showed up for yourself. Be proud. Yes, that was our warm-up. Good work. Okay, we're gonna go into squats with a band. If you have one at home, slide it above your knees. If not, you can do this completely without any equipment. Start with your feet hips width apart. Keep the weight in your heels. Stand up nice and tall. Inhale, reach it back. Exhale, come to standing. Good, keep the weight in your heels. Eye gaze forward, chest is up. Nice and slow. Inhale, reach it back. Exhale, come to standing. Again. 1 more. We're going to speed this up. Here we go. Inhale. Exhale. With the feet. Come on, let's go. Last 2. Hold and pulse, stay down. Last 4. Now reach your knees to the side, reach side. Come to standing. Stand up nice and tall. Inhale, reach it back. Exhale, come to standing. Good, keep the weight in your heels. Eye gaze forward, chest is up. Nice and slow. Inhale, reach it back. Exhale, come to standing. Again. 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 1 more. We're gonna speed this up. Ooh, feeling the heat. Keep reaching back. Come on. Hold on, pulse. Now knees open side, you reach side. If it's too much, you can come a little higher. One more time, you pulse it down, sit down. Breathe. Now reach a side, come on, reach side. Stay low if you can. Come to standing. Woo. One more. I know I said that earlier. Final round, I promise. I'm with you. I know it's burning. Keep that tummy, then pulse. Line 4. Reach it to the side. Whew. Come on, give me 3, 2, 1, and come up. Yes. Shake it off, shake it off. All right, next song, we're gonna go into lunges. I'm gonna show you the side view. Stand with your feet hips width apart. Right leg, take one big step back. Weight between both legs. Right knee, reach and up. Make sure you're pressing into that right foot and your weight is not shifting forward. Draw that tummy in. Send that tailbone straight down. Inhale, exhale. You're gonna hold it down and pulse. Reaching that right knee to the ground. 4. Left heel raises. You bring it up and down. One more. Stand all the way up. From the top, you reach it down. Eye gaze forward. Press into that right foot. Last 2. Hold it down and pulse it out. Right knee, reach. Press into that right foot. Left heel raises. Give me 3, 2, and 1. Stand all the way up. Whew. Shake it out. Let's switch to the other side. Left foot, take it straight back. Here we go. Inhale down. Exhale. Once again, I'm just showing you the side view. Facing forward. Pressing into that left foot. Keep this going. You inhale down. Exhale. Good. Think about reaching that left knee to the ground. You can do it. 2. Left foot, hold and pulse. Reach that knee to the ground. Keep that tummy in. Right heel raises. Give me 3, 2. Left knee is reaching. Come all the way standing. From the top, one more, it's down. This is it. Last round. Last 4. And 3. Give me 2. Hold and pulse it down. Let's reach that left knee. Whew. Yes. Feel the burn. Right heel raises. Give me 3. And 2, and 1. Stand all the way up. Shake it out. Nice work, everyone. Hope you're really feeling the burn in the quads, the hamstrings, and the glutes. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next week.